Hello and welcome to this IFB dishwasher demo video. Know what's inside an IFB dishwasher. Top cutlery drawer, a drawer for cutlery like ladles, servers, spoons, etc. Top basket, ideal for loading glasses, delicate crockery and plastic items. Spray arms and water shower. It sprays and sprinkles high-pressure water that substitutes manual scrubbing to provide clean dishes. Bottom basket, ideal for loading vessels like pressure cooker, kadhai, plates, etc. Filter systems, traps the bigger food particles from recirculation within the dishwasher. Detergent and rinse aid. Dispensers help to add dishwasher detergent and rinse aid for washing and drying dishes. Hope this helped you to understand the IFB dishwasher.